One of the ingredients for the validity of a contract is the free consent of the parties, and according to Section 14 of the Act, the consent is said to be free when it is not caused by coercion as defined in Section 15 or undue influence as defined in Section 16 or fraud as defined in Section 17 or misrepresentation as defined in Section 18 or mistake subject to the provisions of Section 20 to Section 22. So coercion is said to be caused when it would not have been given but for the existence of such coercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation, or mistake. The presence of fraud, undue influence, etc. in the formation of the contract does not negate the contract or the consent. There is consent, but it is not freely given. The result of the consent given under fraud, coercion, etc. is that the contract becomes voidable at the option of other parties. So we found here that a valid contract is always made with free consent of the parties. And free consent means the consent of both the parties to a contract without application of any force or coercion, any undue influence, or any kind of fraud or misrepresentation, or any mistake of law or mistake of fact as provided respectively under Section 15, Section 16, Section 17, Section 18, and Section 22, Section 20.